Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Vezel key battery. This is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. First, you'll need a few basic items: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a fresh CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much easier and help prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small button or latch that releases the physical emergency key, slide it out, and set it aside. Next, look for a small slot along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, circular battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently use your screwdriver or a small tool to pry out the old, depleted CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click and snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the physical emergency key back into its slot. Once reassembled, test all the buttons to confirm your key fob is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.